Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show easy steps that how to define your goals and audience. Start by identifying your main objectives and the target audience for your email sequence. Customize your campaign. Select the tone, style, number of emails for your sequence. Generate, review and send. Hit generate and let AutomationAI craft your entire email sequence instantly. I'm gonna help you to discover our 3-step process that helps us generate more than $1,000 daily with AI-powered emails. That is AutomationAI. This video is about AutomationAI. AutomationAI is a tool designed to streamline and optimize the process of creating email sequences for various marketing purposes. With AutomationAI you can instantly create onboarding sequences, lead nurturing sequences, sales funnel sequences, cart abandonment sequences, re-engagement sequences, post-purchase follow-ups. Check out some of the key features. Feature 1: Outcome planning. Pinpoint your desired results and let the platform carve out a pathway to success. Feature 2: Choose your tone. Tailor your email's voice, choosing from a spectrum of tones, from formal professionalism to relaxed casualness. Feature 3: Audience personalization. Provide details about your target demographic, ensuring every message is crafted to resonate. Feature 4: Sequence customization. Take charge of your email campaign structure, selecting the number of messages and their delivery timing, or opt for AI's optimized suggestions. Feature 5: Adaptive learning. Utilize past campaign data to inform and enhance future strategies, ensuring continuous improvement. Feature 6: Intuitive control panel. Navigate with ease through a user-friendly dashboard, streamlining the sequence setup process. Feature 7: Export and download. Easily export and download email sequences you create. And if you have Mailvio, you can one-click import these email sequences. Intelligent email automation. Affiliate marketers promote products effortlessly with personalized and compelling email sequences. B2B companies nurture leads through tailored sequences. Membership site owners manage email campaigns for multiple clients efficiently, ensuring consistency. AutomationAI redefines efficiency with intelligent email automation. Let the power of AI handle repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on building relationships and growing your business. Smart content generation. Craft compelling emails effortlessly. AutomationAI uses advanced algorithms to generate personalized and engaging content, ensuring your messages leave a lasting impact. Dynamic personalization. Personalize your emails at scale. AutomationAI adapts to your audience's preferences, delivering a personalized touch that resonates and drives higher. This is perfect package email list you can recommend to your clients. To get access for the product link, go to the description and click on it to know more. Thanks for tuning in. Quality Quest Reviews.